Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make slime from Zina's channel. This is my own recipe. I don't know if it will work with these other ingredients, but this is what the slime actually looks like. Sticky, but if you keep mixing it, it becomes non-sticky. You'll need something to mix in. Something to mix with. Some shampoo. I'm using coconut milk. That's how mine worked. I think you can use any shampoo, but shampoo. And some soap. This is like a home ingredient slime because everyone's got shampoo and soap. So first what you will do is get your mixing bowl and pour some of your hand soap. And this hand soap is pretty sticky hand soap. And you want to mix your hand soap. Now you are going to get your shampoo and pour some of your shampoo in. Okay, basically same amount. I think I might need a bit more of that soap. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna start mixing up my slime right here. And you're gonna start mixing it. You'll see it starts to get the slimy consistency as well. I'm getting my slimy consistency very well straight away. It's all lumpy. And you just have to keep mixing it for a really long time. I'll show you, I'll touch it. And it's sticky free. There's nothing on my finger. So you gotta just keep mixing it and look at this slime. This is like home ingredients. I'm pretty sure everyone has hand soap and shampoo, so it's 2 ingredient slime. Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna work with other hand soap or shampoo. It just has to be very kind of like a thick, slimy consistency shampoo. Once you have mixed it up and you're sure it's all nice and slimy, you're gonna let it rest with a cover on top overnight. And then you should have something looking like the end point, like this. I hope you liked my video, and I hope you like the slime. But when you wake up, you're gonna have to mix it a bit more, and you'll see it's really nice slime. If it gets too sticky, you might want to have to put more shampoo in. See ya.